Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have some new Valentine junk journals that I wanted to show you. These are journals that will be in my Etsy shop. I will have the link down below. I made these journals using two 6x9 envelopes. I will have a tutorial on how to make envelope junk journals towards the end of this week, so click that subscribe button and the notification bell if you'd like to be notified when I come out with those videos. So I used the new paper pad from Michaels. It's called Love and Devotion. It is one of the two paper pads that I've seen for Valentine's Day this year, and both of the pads work really well together. I just used one for these, but you can use both of them together. They also came out with lots of stickers, die cuts. There are, I think, acrylic stamps and dies as well, and everything just coordinates really well, and it's super cute. So I'm going to start down at this end. As I said, these measure 6x9. I added a 1/2 inch spine here. It is a one signature book, and just love how these turned out. So this is called the Love Journal, and there is a pocket on the front. I stitched that onto the front, and there's a tag inside there. There's lots of stitching. I added some felt trim on this one and this little felt heart sticker there. I made yarn tassels for these, a little bit different from my normal journals, but I just love this pink yarn. It's kind of a squiggly yarn, and it has two kinds of pink in there. There's like a little shiny little part to it, so it just looks really, I really love how it turned out. But it is a tassel, and then I added these Valentine charms onto it, and this one happens to say love on it. So this is tied up with this pink or red and white heart ribbon, and the ribbon is attached to the cover. You open it up, and this is the front cover. Here you can tell this is part of the envelope here, so there is a pocket there to put journaling cards or whatever. There's also a little pocket here made with this die cut sticker, and then here is a top pocket that you can put journaling cards in. I used different laces and trims along the edges. Here's another pocket, this giant heart card. And then I also did some stamping throughout with some of my Valentine stamps. Here's some pretty Valentine tissue paper that I added in there. Doily. Here's a vintage magazine cover that I included in there. It's really cute. Some of the paper with a belly band. And each of the books include two ribbon tassels or ribbon paper clips. I added trims throughout, a lot of sewing. There's a doily there on a vintage sheet music paper. I will put in the description on my Etsy listing how many pages are in here approximately. It's a vintage sheet music, and that is a paper bag. So lots of spaces for pictures and journaling. Also included in each one of these will be a goodie bag full of Valentine different ephemera pieces and vintage, a couple more vintage book pages. Here's the back, pocket on the back, and then this is like a little belly band that I added in there. I'm also going to be including an altered vintage bingo card, and it will have some vintage Valentine pieces that I found at, I think it was an antique shop. So each one will come with this. happens to be an example. They're all going to be different. So just wanted you to know that. I will also be doing a craft with me either the end of this week or next week. So grab your supplies. So the next one I'm going to show you is called Sending You Lots of Love. This one has some pink and white gingham fabric that I sewed onto the front, and there is a pocket on it as well, and that is what the tag looks like. Has the 1/2-inch spine. It also has the tassel with the little heart charm that says cutie. And then I have this felt heart on the bottom. It's tied up with some of the pink and white gingham fabric that I sewed together to make the ties, and the ties are connected onto the cover as well. So here's the inside of this one. It has a little pocket there as well as the envelope pocket. And then lots of little pockets sewn in. This has a pocket on the side there. The paper clips for this one are the fabric as well. It has vintage sheet music, and I tried to pick sheet music that had to do with love and Valentines. Here's a belly band. Another pocket. I made this little tuck spot here with just some strips. Another vintage magazine Valentine sheet there. Here is an envelope with a little cardstock sticker. Some kids' manuscript paper there. So all the books have a pretty similar pages that I used within them. And then I kind of changed them up as far as the order and everything goes. There's a pocket there. Here's the Valentine cupcake liner that I just glued around the edge there. And then here's the last page, the outside cover there. And that's what the back looks like. The back, each of the covers on the back have a pocket and a tag. I forgot to show you that on the other book. Here's what this one looks like. On to the next one. It's called I Really Want You to Be Your Valentine. So this one's super cute as well. It has a pocket on the front. Here's the tag. And then I just added a couple of the felt hearts there. On this one I covered the spine with this paper and went all the way around to the back. Here's what the back looks like. And there's the tag that's in that one. I used some pink pom-pom trim all the way around, and then it is tied up with this red and white heart ribbon that is connected. It has the tassel as well with the charm, and this charm says Bestie on it. And inside is a little pocket over here, as well as the envelope pocket. Here is this cute little page, and there's a fuzzy there. It says, "You have stolen my heart," and I really thought that was a cute paper. Here's a belly band. Has this journaling card in it. Another vintage sheet or magazine page, and then this sheet music. There's a little pocket here made with a doily, and that is, it's actually an envelope, so there's a pocket here. And then here I added this tiny little envelope that has a little note card in it. And these have the same ribbon as the paper clips. pocket down there. Just a little side tuck. The other side of that bag, and then I added this really cute bicycle die cut. Here's the inside. I just love that spread. There's red glitter on it, super pretty. And I sewed some pom-pom trim on the side there. It's the other side of the bag, and this is a little fabric flip up. The other side of that envelope. Here's another cute little cupcake liner that has a llama on it. And here's a little side tuck, and that's the back cover. And then here is the tag. And then finally, the last book is called Happy Valentine's Day. It has another little tassel. It says hugs. I sewed some red with white heart fabric onto the front, and there's a pocket, and then put two little felt hearts down below, and the tie is some of that fabric. Open it up here. There's another little pocket on the side made with one of the die cuts, and then here is this little tuck here. Each of the books will come with a set of red tickets, as well as other items too. I've got lots of things to add to my goodie packs this year. There. And each of these books has a different set of sheet music and vintage pages, just because I didn't have like two of each of the magazines that I had. They're actual vintage books. One of those cards. Oh, this sheet music is called Secret Love Gavotte. I'm sure you pronounce it a different way, but Gavotte, I don't know. Center there, little tuck there. There's the lunch bag. Super cute page, I love that. And then here's the ending. Pocket there and a belly band, and then here's the back with a tag. And this tassel has a charm that says hugs on it. So I love the way these turned out. I hope you go ahead and check them out in my Etsy shop. I also have some of my older items in my shop that are 30% off right now. So go ahead and take advantage of those items and check out these new ones. So I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.